You won't believe how hot it is today. It's 97 degrees out with a heat index of 110. So if you're going to pick a day to do outdoor projects on your van, this is not the weather that you would ideally choose. But lately here in Texas, that's about the only weather we're going to get. So I do a little, and then I go in the air conditioning for a little while, drink some lemonade, drink some water, come back out, do a little more. But if you have a choice, don't do it when it's 110 heat index. It's not the best. But when the DIY mood strikes, I don't know about you, but if it strikes, it's like, okay, today's the day. I'm gonna do it today. Yeah. I must be nuts. But I'm getting things done. Well, here's my spice rack in my Pleasure Way. You can see it's a little worse for wear. So I think it's time to take it off the wall and fix it. Since I'm in a fixing mood today, I took this drawer that I use for pots, I took it out, took all the pots out, put some wood glue, see in the crack there? I think this was water damage from the refrigerator. The drain pipe filled up, this is before I owned it, and ran all down and messed up the rug and the drawer. So I'm fixing things. Fixing. This is next. You can see it's got these little buttons covering up the screws. Now where am I going to put this so I don't lose it? There's another one. Come on. Now for a screwdriver. I have a killer long screwdriver here because I can't find my short one. And I'm going to have to set the camera down because I can't push hard enough with one hand. Okay, I'm using Elmer's Carpenter's wood glue, and I put it around the edges, and there's little brads, staples, and I'm going to try to line those up as best I can and stick it together. Wish me luck. Well, I have a lot of glue in the joints, cleaned it up, and I've got a clamp on it to hold the bottom in place. So we'll let it set up and see what happens. Can't be worse than it was. Here's the clamp. As long as it is, it's not long enough to go lengthwise across here. But that's okay. I think it's more important to have the bottom held in place. And after a while, I'll nail the little brads. See, there's one. Where is it? Now I can't find it. Right there. There's some all around. There's one there. I'll hammer it when it's stuck together a little bit better than it is now. Now, the hard part. Wait. Well, here it is, 2 years later. Yeah, you read that right. 2 years later. And I'm finally getting around to finishing putting up my spice rack. I still had the same screws. I lost the little caps that go on it though, but they're easy to get at a hardware store. So I lined up the screws with the holes that were still in the wall. I tightened it a little bit each side. You know, I don't want to tighten one all the way in case you have to make some adjustments. And there we go. I'm gonna have a spice rack again, everybody. Boy, oh boy. That's a happy thing. It really is a happy thing. I can put my spices up here now. All of them. You know what I found out? Not having a spice rack. I actually didn't know what spices I had. So I ended up with 2 garlic powders. Put that one way over there. Onion powder. That's mighty good on hamburgers. Garlic and onion powder. There's the pepper. Yeah. Looky there, everybody. I've got a spice rack, and it has spices on it. I hope your DIY projects don't take as long as this one did. 2 years, I mean, please. Can you believe it? Yeah, I can believe it. It was so hot when I was starting this video 2 years ago. I just couldn't carry on. And today, it's almost as hot, not quite, but I'm plugged in at a campground this time and I have the air conditioner running. So yay, much better. I strongly recommend, if you have the option of not doing this in 98 degree, 110 heat index weather, if you can do it inside an RV with an air conditioner going, much better. Much, much better. Okay, well, happy DIYing. Bye-bye.